Hey everybody and welcome back. This is not a creative tutorial, more like a creative reveal. There has been a lot of speculation on Avengers Endgame and those banging sounds that you hear at the very end of the credits. There's a lot of people that think it's the banging from Iron Man 1. There's a lot of people that think it's Harley who showed up at Tony's funeral, who was from Iron Man 3. At any rate, let's just look at the audio waves and see what it tells us. I went to a video called Avengers Endgame Post-Credits Scene. This is what it sounds like here. And then I went to the actual Iron Man movie, just the famous scene from Iron Man Part 1 where he's forging his suit, banging it in the cave, which sounds like this. And then I took them, threw them into Audition side by side, cleaned them both up. Not anything crazy by any stretch of the means, just enough to enhance the banging sounds. And then lastly, I just overlap them, and this is what it sounds like. I'll let you be the judge. To me, it sounds like the exact same banging from Iron Man 1. I mean, it doesn't sound exactly the same, but it's the exact same cadence. So I don't know if they tweaked it. I don't know if it just sounds that way because there's no music and it's just, dead air and credits rolling. At any rate, maybe this will put the conversation to rest. Maybe it won't. Maybe it enhances it. I don't know. You be the judge. At any rate, just wanted to make this video real quick just to show you that it's more than likely the audio from Iron Man Part 1.